of the tone. Listen up. Keep it clean. Don't take each other out on the first two turns. Get through clean. A little trouble for Cameron. Gets it hung up early on. Back there with Al trying to race through there. These guys from the back trying to race their way to the front. Meanwhile, out front, Jam Moller, your pole sitter, gets a great start with Beaver in tow. And it's the Forrest duo. There's the wagon wheel getting through there clean. All of them get through their team clean. Cutting some of the fastest laps on the track. Keep an eye on the pink truck. It is ripping right now. See if she can hunt down the leaders up front. 8-minute main event for Stadium Truck tonight. Jan out front. Cut the 29.17 lap time that time around. Backed up by a 29.151 for Beaver. Cameron looking to get around Dawn. Both of them right there together. Great Stadium Truck race we've got for you right here. Race number 7 is coming next. 13.5 Buggy, the big main event for your super stock class. Beaver on the hammer, trying to hunt down that Moller machine. The one catching both of them is actually Darrell. Last time around, cut the 29.28 fast lap of that round. That time, let's see what they can do. He is closing on the 2 leaders. And so is Cameron. Cameron picking up a spot, got around Dawn for that 4th place spot. No trouble for Beaver. Takes it a little bit out of the park, and now it's Darrell in command of 2nd. About a half a straightaway back off the all-red machine of Jam Moller. We'll get a split gap at the line next time around. And Al, you'll have leaders right there with you. Just hold your line best you can, sir. All good. And at the line here comes Darrell, just 3.2 seconds back. Here's that 2nd place spot. Meanwhile, Cameron reeling in Beaver straight ahead of her. She's got 2nd straight, or 3rd straight ahead. Oh, might be problems for Al. Pull Al's truck. I think it just shut off. Uh-oh. All right, pull it off, pull it off. If you can figure out what's going on, get it back out. A little pit stop for Al down there. Charlie giving you guys her. Charlie up a leader right behind you. Just give him room if he gets to you, please. Down the inner straightaway, thank you. Nice driving there, Charlie. Beautiful. Now you might have a 2nd right there behind you. Give him a little room. Thank you. Nice driving, guys. Very courteous. We appreciate that. When you're out leading, you'll appreciate the same courtesy. Meanwhile, Jan has been out in a while. Great to see him back. Hasn't lost his touch. Right out to the lead he goes. 3.7 back is Darrell Forrest. Give a shout out to Cameron. She has driven one fantastic race tonight. Holds down 4th and waiting for a bobble. Either out of Beaver or Forrest ahead, and that battle shaping up now for 2nd. Up over the kicker double into the back straightaway. 2 car lengths apart as they come down into the sweeper. And another out of the park for Beaver. Trying to use that high line. It is not working for him.
Be smooth, Darrell.
And he'll have to recover lost time once again. Jan, Darrell, Mike, Cameron, Dawn, Charlie, and Al. 4 down, 4 to go. We're halfway. Race number 7. It is your 13.5 Buggy A main event up next. Got Al back out there on the track after figuring out whatever shut off on his truck. He goes up there into, well, tries to get into the back straightaway. Right there in front of Jan. Get him, Humpty, fix it. And Darrell, Mike, Cameron, Don, Charlie, and Al. And right there at the line for Beaver, 3 seconds back from 2nd place. If he gets to Darrell once again, see if he can find a way around without putting it out of the park. Leader down the back straightaway spin, all Jan. He has absolutely stayed out front, maintained the gap, and not let these guys close. 29.7 that time around for him. Darrell with a 30.3, Mike with a 28.34, so quicker for that third place truck. The gap has tightened, you can see once again. Mike closes in, looks inside. Oh, I thought he would take it right there. Darrell left the door open just a little into the 180s and now up over the kicker double. 2:20 left to go. 29.56 that last time around for Jan. Darrell with a 28.775 and another bobble from that Beaver machine. 32.79. Everything he had gained, he just lost. 2 to go. Main event for that one coming up. 13.5 buggy. People have been asking me how long is it? Full field. It is a 10-minute main event coming up. Minute 35 left to go. Jan's got it all red machine, several corners ahead of the Darrell Forrest machine. Last time around in the line, it was a 4.9 second advantage for Moller. Get a split gap on you for this one here. Minute 20 to go. 5.6. So it opens up just a little bit. Dawn at the line, that time around for her. Moves her up into third. Nice solid lap there for her, a 30.214. So Dawn in a highly contested race right there with Cameron and Beaver. Beaver now back into that 5th place spot. So it's turned into the pair of Forrest up there holding down 2nd and 3rd. A big gap from 1st to 2nd. And then back to 3rd. 30 seconds. 13.5 buggy is next. It will be a full driver stand up there with, I believe, 11 drivers up in this next one. Darrell's going to go one more time. We'll see if Charlie can make the line. It's going to be close. 5 seconds. He should make it. Good going, Charlie. One more time around. Here comes the line. And there you go. Cameron, yeah, they were both set at the line right there. Dawn just ahead of Cameron. And then Beaver. Jan done at the line there. 17 laps. And here comes that Darrell Forrest machine. The 5.3 seconds back. Charlie.